Hey, is your Google Shopping campaign draining your budget without delivering results? In this video series, I'm talking about 5 data feed hacks that could make or break your Google Shopping campaigns or your P-Mex campaigns. Hey, my name is Roel from eCom-Ads, and today's hack is feed population. A well-optimized feed can make or break your campaigns. Okay, your Google Shopping campaigns demand that you have a well-populated, a well-oiled machine, a well-oiled feed. Everything runs smoother, and in the end, the easier it is to optimize your campaigns, the easier it is to get the results that you want. Use tools like DataFeedWatch or actionable to optimize your titles, include keywords, and make sure that your attributes are filled in, and use custom labels for easier segmentation. For example, if you're selling shoes, make sure to include attributes like size, like color, like material, but also in the title. And custom labels can be used, for example, to segment on price ranges, bundles, or single products. And the more you use them, the more tools you have in your arsenal for testing. Okay, you can use them for segmented reporting in Google Ads or Google Analytics to keep an eye on your campaign performance. And that way you can make data-driven decisions to cut inefficiencies and scale what works. So make sure to optimize your feed and maximize your budget by populating your feed. Do you like this video? Make sure to subscribe for more game-changing tips.